Kind of taking you through a couple quick settings, hopefully here to get your geoDVR audio working. The first thing to check is under your options tab here. This is basically a system that parallels yours. We just kind of set up an exact replica of it. If you can, just make sure these are checked. If you go to audio options without it recording, go to audio input. You want sound card line in checked. Assuming that is checked, or if it's not checked, check that one. Next thing you do, you're gonna have to plug a keyboard into your setup here. With the keyboard, hit your Windows key. Go down over here to your little speakers icon and right click it. Go to sounds. Your sounds window should look like this. You should have a check by your microphone. Sorry, the other thing to make sure you're set on is your recording tab here. Make sure your sound is checked. It's basically set to the default device. And make sure your stereo mix is disabled. So it should look just like this. Your default device should be your microphone. It should be your default device. If it's not, just right click it and just you can configure it right here since it's default device. It's not showing it. This one you want to right click and make sure it's disabled. And then once you're on your microphone, double click on this microphone tab. Go to your listen tab. Make sure this listen to device is checked. Once you know that is checked, go over to levels and you just want to crank these up basically. We have our microphone on this one set to 90 and we have our microphone boost set to 30. That'll just boost basically as you're talking, it'll boost it through the microphone so it picks up more noise to your voice. So I would start there. My guess is one of those checkboxes isn't checked. Most likely under the listen tab, this one is not checked. If that's not checked, your microphone's not going to work. So that's probably, I'd start there to see if, and hopefully that'll solve your audio problems. And then yeah, once those are checked, just hit OK, and then you probably want to restart, just make sure everything takes effect. But once you've done that, hopefully everything will be up and running.